Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying to photograph a fledgling house sparrow. I've just been sat out in my back garden. We had a barbecue, I had a cider, really nice, just sat in the sun. I noticed a fledgling house sparrow keeps coming down onto our lawn, and yeah, so I want to photograph it. I do not have a portable hide to put in my garden, so I'll come up with another plan though for that. So one second, just grab it. This is what I've got, essentially a camouflage poncho. So I basically put that on like this, I think. Put this on. God. So put this on. I'm going to sit out in the back garden, maybe behind the shed, just out behind the shed. And this little fledgling house sparrow is, hopefully, fingers crossed, going to come back, and I'm going to get a photo. So let's go do that. I've got to go get my camera, and then yeah, let's go. I'm currently under the poncho, the camouflage poncho, and I'm in my back garden. I've got my Canon 7D Mark II with the 100-400mm lens, and it's getting really hot. The sun is hitting just on the outside here. You can probably see, make that out. Yeah, it's getting really hot, but I'm waiting here until that fledgling comes back, because I know it's going to. I've got my camera set up, settings are on. Let me just check. So I've got a shutter speed of 1600, yeah, 1600, ISO 200, aperture 5.6. In this sort of direct sunlight, you don't really need much ISO at all. I've put the shutter up quite high because the small fledgling has got very fast wing movements, body movements, and hop speed. So yeah, my settings are all ready for the bird's arrival. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'm going to probably stick this GoPro on the outside, and I'm just going to sit here and wait. When it arrives, I'm going to get the shot. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Let's do this. So the fledgling house sparrow actually just landed on the lawn right here, right in front of me, and I think at one point it looked directly into the camera. So I think that this camouflage is actually working. Yeah. Awesome, really cool. I think I got some really nice pictures. Oh, it does hurt laying on this gravel though. Oh, it hurts the arms. Alright, so I've been sat here for quite a while. The good thing about it being in a poncho instead of a hide that you put, a portable hide, is that I can literally stand up and walk around, and the birds won't even realise. Well, they may they probably will, to be fair. But yeah, this is officially the end of the video. I did actually manage to capture the house sparrow, the fledgling house sparrow. Awesome, really cool. I was so happy with the photographs, and yeah, so that's it really. It worked out pretty well. I am sweltering in here though, so I can't wait to get out. So on that note, I'm going to end it here. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, hit like and consider subscribing. Also maybe even ring that bell, because I know that a lot of you that are subscribed don't get notifications. So yeah, hit that bell, and then I will see you in the next video.